10 things why relying only on Amazon is killing your business. First, platform dependency. Too reliant on Amazon. Amazon can suspend accounts overnight. Algorithm changes can crush visibility. They don't own the customer relationship. What to do? Diversify sales channels. Build a Shopify or Ecommerce store. Sell on Walmart, eBay, Etsy, or even TikTok Shop. 2. No brand building outside Amazon. Many sellers have zero brand recognition. No brand loyalty equals price wars and a race to the bottom. What to do? Invest in branding, website, content, storytelling, logo, packaging, and brand voice. Turn products into a movement. Zero first-party data. No email or SMS list. They rely on Amazon's customer base, not their own. No way to remarket or upsell once someone buys. What to do? Use insert cards, lead magnets, and landing pages to build an email list. Set up flows in Klaviyo or MailChimp. 4. Poor website experience. Many don't even have a website, or it's just a catalog. The site isn't optimized for search, mobile, or conversions. What to do? Build a conversion-focused, SEO-optimized site that's fast, mobile-friendly, and includes social proof, content, and email capture. 5. No omni-channel advertising. Sellers stick to Amazon PPC only. They miss out on Facebook ads, TikTok ads, YouTube ads, and Google Shopping. What to do? Create awareness and retargeting campaigns off Amazon to warm up cold traffic and increase branded searches on Amazon. 6. Weak or non-existent social media presence. No trust signals, no engagement, no storytelling, no audience. What to do? Consistent posting. UGC, influencer collaborations, and short-form video content. Focus on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. 7. No SEO or content strategy. Amazon sellers rarely leverage blogs, videos, or educational content to build long-term organic traffic. What to do? Start a blog, answer common customer questions, post tutorials, and repurpose content across platforms. 8. No exit strategy. Most sellers never think about selling their business. That's a missed opportunity to turn effort into a massive payday. What to do? Clean up operations, document systems, build brand assets, email lists, community, content, and prepare for acquisition. 9. Inventory and fulfillment risk. FBA delays, storage limits, or restocking issues can destroy cash flow. What to do? Use third-party logistics, split inventory, and set up backup fulfillment options. Monitor inventory, health, and restock lead times. 10. No customer loyalty or retention plan. Focus is 100% on acquisition. No efforts to increase lifetime value or repeat purchases. What to do? Launch loyalty programs, upsell flows, referral campaigns, and bundle offers to increase average order value and retention.